this is the bundle weft we open. This is the 18-inch, this one. And let me show you how long the weft is. I will fold it. Firstly, I will fold it because it's very long. The ruler is not long enough. So I will fold the weft first. Like this one, okay? So it's 20, nearly 29. Okay, let's say it's 28 inch. So the weft is actually 56 because this is the double. Okay, the double size. 28. So let me open. It's 56. It's 56 56 inches long. After I open the weft, this bundle. This is 18-inch long hair, 18-inch hair bundle. This video, the point I'm making this video is I'm going to show you. This is the weft. It's the double weft. This one. As you can see, it's a double weft, double wefted. So normally we use the weft to sew on the cap to make wigs for customers. So we split the weft half, look like this one. We split it because it is double wefted, and we split this one. This we split this. So after we split the weft, to sew on the cap to make the cap with narrow space, so you can make the wig looks fuller, and there's no much space in between the weft after sewed on the cap to make it good. Also, the double wefted is a little bit thick. It's a little bit thick. So after we split the weft, to make it single weft, so the cap will be much smoother. This one. So this is how we make the wigs for customers every day. I will see you in the next video. Can you see the difference? This one.